Hey guys, I'm Brian Gibbs from Refund Retriever. FedEx and UPS are currently the only two parcel carriers servicing the whole United States with time-definite deliveries. So both the carriers offer the same type of services and compete for the same clients on a daily basis. So when it comes down to it, knowledge is power. And this is especially true when it comes to carrier contract negotiation. Package characteristics are the most important thing to understand in the parcel negotiation process. Carriers can analyze your historical shipping data and overall profile to determine what discounts to offer. Let's discuss some basic strategy that's going to help you. So step 1, establish your current shipping volumes and cost. Carrier representatives have a full arsenal of reports and data with how much you ship each year. So the first step I recommend to any shipper is establish your baseline. Figure out where your money is actually going. The basic data points that you should know are the following. So your yearly shipping volume, total spend with each carrier and service level, surcharges or accessorial fees, the volume and the total spend, dimensional weights. So what's the package count and your current contracted divisor, zone and weight distribution. Where the packages go, how much do they weigh? Step 2, you need to understand the general structure of a carrier agreement. Like, have you ever tried to break down the cost of an actual shipment? There's so many different charges associated with each package you send. Each package starts with a certain weight, dimension, size, and to and from location. These characteristics establish the price of the package based on the carrier's daily published rates. So depending on your agreement, there's going to be two types of possible discounts on these published daily rates. So the first one you're looking at is going to be the guaranteed discount on each service and weight. Guaranteed discounts apply regardless of your shipping volume. These discounts are set as a percentage off the published daily rates. The next set of discounts is not a guaranteed reduction in cost. These are called the tier incentive discounts and are like an additional percentage off the published daily rate based on your shipping volume. The more you ship, the greater the incentive discount should be. So remember, these discounts are in addition to the guaranteed discount incentives I mentioned before. On top of the published daily rates, both carriers are going to apply various accessorial fee surcharges. So based on the package characteristics and the options that you might choose as a shipper. Each of these accessorial fees are listed in the service guides and can have discounts applied on each of them as well. Step 3, benchmark your rates and review and utilize data. Benchmarking your discount rates with similar sized shippers is a crucial step that most shippers, they really don't have easy access to. Carriers don't have like a set level of discounts that you can cross-reference your shipping spend and discount rates. Keep in mind that the carrier representatives are always trying to make more money from each account. To help identify where your discount should be, find a logistics company to help or implement outside data from somewhere. Look into hiring a logistics auditing company like Refund Retriever because we provide volume level discount rate benchmarking for all our clients as a free service. Step 4, provide the carrier with a written request of pricing. All shippers should approach a new agreement with a clear and precise set of goals. Always present the carrier with a written set of discount rates for each service that you're trying to achieve. Put each accessorial fee reduction on paper. This is going to allow you to really set the stage from the start. Everybody already knows what the published rates are, so make the first move with your written request for reductions. With that being said, there's also this minimum net charge that both FedEx and UPS apply. So to quickly summarize, no matter how large your discounts are, each carrier is going to apply these discounts to a certain point and then no further. Think of it as like a basement floor for your discounts. So my final thoughts on carrier contract negotiation. The carriers a lot of times are going to want a shipper to waive the right to this on time or it's free guarantee. Don't do this. Not only does it lessen your available options when an error occurs with your shipping, but it also reduces the amount of reporting available. Free reporting, that is. So at Refund Retriever, we offer free reports and analytics with all our auditing clients. If there's no possibility of late delivery refunds, really the only source for external reporting may be a monthly service that'll cost your company even more. A carrier contract negotiation is not something that can be accomplished in one afternoon. Once you have all the necessary data compiled, the numbers should highlight your pain points. So you need to really take your time, quantify any proposal that's presented to you. Shipping costs can easily turn from a liability to a competitive advantage with very little work. So if you have any questions about Refund Retriever or your contracts, give us a call, 1-800-441-8085. visit our website, refundretriever.com. Thanks a lot.